What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy Corey T, and I'm back with another video. Today is the 7th, so this is the last day to submit your submissions for the drawing. I will probably do the drawing sometime this week. I'll try to get to it. I got a busy week coming ahead, so bear with me. We'll try to get to it this week. If not, the following week. So with that being said, this last day, get the submissions in 2 videos ago. Go check it out, and yeah, thank you guys for putting that submission in and doing it the right way. So salute y'all for rocking out with me, and of course I got y'all. All right, so right now I'm at 1366 for my portfolio. The reason why my number has went down, I am dialing back because once again, I asked you guys probably like a week or 2 ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, hey, should I start my portfolio over, excuse me. And I got a handful of y'all that said, yeah, man, go ahead and start over. We want to kind of, see what you got to say. And we've been seeing how you've been rocking out so far. So let's start fresh. We want to start with you versus coming in where you see the old videos and now you see this video. So with that being said, I'm dialing back. So just keep up. Just hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, do what you got to do. But keep up with me when I post. I'm dialing back. I did get rid of what it was, water drop. So no longer have water drop. I made some good little side money on water drop. So it is what it is. And I'm going to show you guys why I got rid of water drop, why I did. I mean, granted, I am trying to dial back in, start my portfolio over, but this is why I did get rid of water drop. It's been a month and it hasn't hit $3 within a month. I mean, with stocks, it could be months, more than just 1 month. It could be years or whatever until it actually start to truck along. But even though I just felt like it was a good time to get out and I was up quite a bit, so why not? And then I'm also looking at my other stocks, trying to see what they're going to do in the time being as I'm dialing back. And I kind of want to just kind of take my profit, get on out of there, and just kind of see what the week brings. It is what it is. Eventually, I will end up starting fresh for everybody who, want to follow the journey, the new journey, I should say. So that's that. Let's talk about Ideanomics, guys. Ideanomics, let me break this down for you guys. My last video was about meme stocks. That's why I had to slightly apologize. I'm like, you can't get rich overnight with stocks. You can't do this, but technically you can. It just depends on what particular stock and what is driving that stock. When you talk about meme stocks, that's more so of a viral recommendation to invest your money for this particular entity or item or whatever stock you see is going viral. Don't get caught in the hype. I have to come on here and say that. That's why I'm the type of person I come on my videos and say, hey, man, I would never influence you guys, or I would never tell you guys directly to invest in something. If you ask my personal opinion, I give you my personal opinion on the sideline. You know what I'm saying? But in reality, I won't come on here and say, everybody, let's go invest in Idea. No, I'm not doing that because at the end of the day, I don't want to be responsible for your losses. You are responsible for your losses. Don't ever let nobody be in control of your money. And that's that. Also, when it comes to meme stocks, they become meme stocks via social media. Social media could be anybody. It could be random people. It could be trolls. It could be all kind of stuff going on. So you got to watch out for that. Also, when you talk about, like, I guess it became a meme stock on Reddit. According to the Discord, it became a meme stock on Reddit. So therefore, Reddit is a form of Lord knows who, because last time I checked, Reddit was basically, hidden identities, which is pretty smart. But at the same time, it's an identity, so anybody could be typing up this information saying, do a particular thing, or this is what's going to happen in regards to a stock doing a certain thing. So you got to be careful. Just because it's on Reddit and they saying, hey, I just invested a certain amount and you guys should go invest and we can make this happen. I hopped on Reddit, but I seen all kind of stuff about Ideanomics, and I just thought it was crazy because I'm like, what's the whole hype behind this whole social media thing that the news is talking about? So I went to that and I seen quite a bit of posts, and it's a lot of people talking about Ideanomics and what's next and what they should do and how they should move. But nobody knows what's really going to happen to Ideanomics. You want my personal opinion right now? Let's get into it. So I think Ideanomics, since it has not delisted just yet, I still think that Ideanomics got a chance. And I've been saying this for a while. It's something in the back of my gut, like, bruh, just hold off on Ideanomics. They might they might loop back around. So I still got that same feeling. That's just me personally. And they haven't delisted, and they did file an appeal with the stock market exchange and all whatever they had to get into. They did file an appeal. They put it on their Twitter page, and we'll see what happens from there. I just feel like Ideanomics got too much going for themselves personally, from what I can see and what I have seen. So that's just my opinion. You take it that with a grain of salt, please, and take it for what it is. Meanwhile, do your own research. I always say that, man. Do your own research. What else we got? So that's why I'm at with Ideanomics, and that's why I'm at with meme stocks. Just be careful, be aware. Don't fall into the hype. If the hype is real, you will see the hype via the stock market. Also, the stock market takes time to adjust from people putting in money, taking out money, putting in money. It takes time. So the stock market, and from what I have seen and what I learned, is not an instant reaction, I should say. So with that being said, what else we got? These are the stocks that I currently have. Like I said, I will be dialing back, and I will be starting fresh, man. I might keep a few of them because I am down so much. I might keep a few of them and kind of see where they go as I start to rebuild my portfolio, I should say. But for the most part, I'm gonna try to dumb it down and get rid of as many stocks as I can before I start over. So that is that. And right now, that was my daily return. This is my total return. So I'm only up technically on 2 of them currently, and we shall see what the week brings. But with that being said, man, had to come on here with a quick little update. Don't forget, last day for submissions. You better get in now. 2 videos ago, go put the comment in. And then sometime this week, hopefully we should have a winner or so. And then I'll still probably be dialing back, and I'll try to come on and make a video here and there as well. Keep you guys updated with the ones that I decide to sell, and you'll kind of see it. So that is that. And I might even talk about which ones I might decide to keep. So we'll see. I'll see probably by Monday, Tuesday, and kind of have an idea on where I want to go from there. But with that being said, man, this is your Corey T. Thank you for sliding through, and I appreciate y'all, man. Hold it down for real.